Hello, smart and creative kids! Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute motorcycle and rider. Perfect for kids and beginner artists like you. Let's start drawing with big smiles and happy hearts so you can learn how to draw and color step by step the fun and easy way. First, let's draw the outline using a bold black color. Awesome work! Now it's time to color with bright and cheerful shades. Start with black to outline the tires and add highlights to the outfit and flag. Next, add coral for fun accents like the gloves and helmet trim. Now, use periwinkle for soft tones on the outfit. Very cool! Add brown for the rider's hair. Warm and natural. Use fuchsia to brighten up parts of the uniform and helmet. So stylish! Add orange for the motorcycle, fast and full of energy. Now, use navy for the wheels, shoes, and shadows. Bold and strong. And finally, add blue-green for the stripes and suit details. Perfect finish! Woohoo! Your cute motorcycle and rider drawing is now fully colored and ready to zoom into an awesome adventure. Thank you so much for drawing and coloring with us today, friends. Bye-bye.